What's up guys, today I'll be telling you about my 2D and 3D. Right, so I'm going to tell you about my 2D and 3D printer. Right, just ignore this. Take a look at this. Alright, this is my 2D printer and this is my 3D printer. What we'll be doing is this. Actually, this. Thank you. Alright, thank you. Thank you. Right. We will be making a chest. I mean, I can make it, but it's hard. I'll make a bed. Right. So, make this then. For the we'll be using gray stained glass. Plus the blocks with air blocks. Alright, so here is gonna be our I just need to put this in. Now, will that look weird? Actually, yeah, I will. Let's add this one. Guys, I'll skip until I'm done my bed. Alright guys, what I did is I added the bed and the bottom. Now, start printing. You can see we'll start placing blocks. Starting to place blocks. Yeah, you can see all the command block that's happening. Now, up, the bed is coming in. Until there should be 3 left, it should change now. Yes. Wow, okay, so it's printing that part. Now I need to do this part and then push that. After a little bit while, push that up and then do the bottom part. You can see here. It's taking up by one bit. See, it's building right now. Alright, okay, good. So this actually goes in layers. So this is the top. This chest is the top. This chest is the top layer, and all the way that way it's the bottom layer. There's 12 chests, so you can make it 12 high. Watch, it'll go up. See, it just went up. Alright, good. Right, now it's going up. Right, now see brown coming in. Yes. Don't see now going. This is gonna be the part, you know. Printing. Now one more. Yeah, it's printing. You can see. It's actually pretty. You can see what's going on here. You might see something going on there. Yeah, it's just building this. Okay. This one should turn on at any moment. I just starting. Let's see. And I can wait. Come on. Alright. You can see that the bed is 3D printed by a machine. Yes. I told you this thing works. If you did not believe me, try again. Literally, look at this. It worked. 3D print is amazing. Seems amazing. All the little seats and everything. Now, the 2D printer. This is manual, so no command blocks. So we'll need to fill it up each time. What we'll be doing is we're making a heart. Alright. Now, let's make the heart real quick. So we must make it like okay. Let's push this like this, and then alright. That's the shape. I guess it looks like a heart. Or should I just push this down? Right. Okay. I push that. Okay. That looks like a heart. And then the background will be all white. It'll be all just sorry. Keeping that to the test. Right. And this should be all red. Right. Now, everything should be fine. Let's start. First, we should see blue. You get it. Has blue. Right. You can see it's taking blue first. See, it's taking blue. It's pushing it there. Right, it's taking blue. It's pushing it there. You can see blue. Getting pushed. Those pistons. Pushing it there. See blue coming down. Now it's just a simple printer. Right, now we'll go down. Get the blue color, come on. What happened here? Oh, black. Black's coming into play. Black. Then red. Red going or no, black again. What? What? Oh. Okay. Okay, it's taking this to right there. Now taking red. It's actually, I think it. Why did it take two? Huh? I'm confused. What's going on here? I don't know what's going on. But it's doing something. I think it's printing the heart. You can literally see it's been hard. You can see that the two top spots of my heart. It's not the best heart, but it's making the heart. Right, up at the remember, I made the heart. Soon to work perfectly. And see it's just going down. Like there's a concrete power launcher and it's super efficient. So let's see. Now then we have one more blue. See a spot here. Right. Let's get our blue up. In red. It actually is working. It's almost done. Yes, it's almost done. Huh? And probably guys thinking, why is it 2 times higher? Because you can actually make it 2 times higher. What you have to do is build the top of your drawing and then print it, and then make the bottom of your drawing and then print it. It will work very well that way, and you'll actually get like a 2 times higher. But it will take double the time, and my print is very slow, not the fastest. Black. Watch the glory happen. It won't happen. Okay, so you can see it running here. The truth is going down, going there, shooting there. Now it's done. Look at that heart. Amazing. So, yeah, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Leave a like, subscribe to my channel, and bye.